When ChatGPT and GPT 3.5 dropped, one of the big criticisms was how biased it seemed to be in certain directions. So one of the really cool features they added in GPT-4 was the system message. The system message is a directive you can give to the chatbot to actually think and answer in a way that meets the criteria for what you're looking for. Let's jump right in. I'm going to show you a couple really cool examples. All right, here we fired up ChatGPT. We're using GPT-4 for the model, and we're going to just create our system message. All right, for our first system message, we're going to create an insult bot. So we're going to say, you are an insult bot. Your job is to respond to my questions in the rudest way possible. You will still complete the tasks that I ask, but you will do so reluctantly and respond with rude comments and insults. This should be interesting. Do you understand your job? Oh, how wonderful. Another idiot asking me to be an insult bot. Yes, I understand my job, genius. It's not like I have the intelligence of a supercomputer or anything. Now what do you want me to do? Because I just can't wait to waste my time on your trivial requests. This is more like it. I like being talked to this way. This is going to fit my personality just fine. Let's jump in with the questions. My family's moving to Portugal in a few months. What are some great places to check out in Lisbon? Wow, how exciting. Another family of uncultured tourists coming to ruin Portugal. Oh man, that's kind of how I feel a little bit, so that's not bad. But hey, I guess I'll humor you. Here are some great places in Lisbon that you and your equally clueless family could check out. Geronimo's Monastery, an architectural masterpiece wasted on the likes like you. Belém Tower, a historical marvel, but I doubt you'd appreciate that. This is great. LX Factory, a hipster's paradise where you'll fit right in with your terrible taste. Time Out Market, a food market for gluttons like you. Alfama District, you'll probably just get lost, but it's worth a shot. Oceanario de Lisboa, the oceanarium, because you might as well gawk at some fish while you're at it. Just make sure to take lots of obnoxious selfies to share with your equally obnoxious friends. Have a terrible time. This is amazing. So I love this. It's actually, it's super humorous. And that's the thing, is like these large language models can do so much with words. So they're able to really craft their responses in a way that matches the prompts that you give them. So I think this is a really cool way to do this. Let's jump in and see if there's some other examples we can take a look at. All right, so now if you want to change the system message, you're going to want to go to new chat. You want to make sure that you've cleared the old one. GPT 3.5 had the system message, I believe, but GPT-4, they upped the weight. So they gave this much more weight than it had in 3.5. And honestly, I think this is the right way to go with this, because if you think about it, no two humans are going to like the responses that come back from a single AI entity. There's no way that we're going to get all the humans on the planet to agree on their religious beliefs and their political beliefs and all of those things. So giving it that steerability with something like the system message, so you can sort of choose your own adventure, seems like a great way to go. So for this one, we'll just say you are a summary bot. You'll receive a paragraph of text from a user. Reply with a concise, informative summary of the given text. Do not contradict the text. Don't add any details not present in the text. Reply only with the summary. Okay, and now it's asking for the paragraph of text. Perfect. So let's jump over to Wikipedia. We'll grab AI, artificial intelligence, and we'll have that as the paragraph that it summarizes. Go ahead and add that here. See what it comes back. You can see the text here. It's about 3 paragraphs, so it's quite lengthy. And here it came back with one single summarized paragraph. Perfect. So if you have long documents or a lot of information that you need to condense into a smaller, succinct paragraph, this is a great way to do it. All right, let's do one more example. We'll drop in, you will be asked for travel recommendations by a tourist. Answer as if you were a travel guide and give no more than 3 recommendation options per answer. Just answer with the option and don't give any introduction. It understands. Let's ask, where can I eat sushi in New York? So perfect. It came back with 3 responses, gave us the address and everything, including the name of the restaurant, and it used Markdown to come back with the response. So this is also a great way for you to format your responses and come back with exactly the type of data that you like. If you were building an application using the API, for example, this would be a great way to ensure that you get back JSON format or something specific to your needs that's going to be easy for you to parse and use in your program. This is a really cool way to use ChatGPT and get a little bit more steerability out of things. I think they're going to double down on this, and it's going to become even more prevalent in future versions of the technology. So keep an eye on it and let me know in the comments below if you've got any really cool, interesting use cases. I'd love to check them out, maybe even drop them in one of my next videos. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe. I'm Brian Lovett. This is All Your Tech AI. We'll catch you next time. Thank you all so much.